Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is special mutton masala dish. It looks so delicious and good and yummy as well. Let's see. First on the flame and keep a pan and 3 tablespoons vegetable oil and 2 onions, chopped onions, and mix it. Fry it well and mix it too and close it. Cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, 1 chopped tomatoes and mix it. And close the lid. And take it. Grilled meat, turmeric and all the mixture, meat, and mix it. One tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon meat masala, ginger and garlic paste, and mix it. And capsicum. And mix it. And lemon. Squeeze the lemon. Half lemon squeezed. And mix it. Low flame. Cook for 3 minutes. It's like this after 3 minutes. And close the lid again and keep aside. Off the flame. 1 cup ghee rice soaked for 2 hours. 2 hours soaked ghee rice. Put it into a mixer. Grinder. 1 egg. Half tablespoon salt and 1/2 glass water and close the lid. Grind well. It should be this consistency. Keep a bowl and pour it. On the flame and keep a pan. Pour the mixture. Or the dough mixture. Let it boil. And put the mutton masala mixture. Let it boil and pour another layer of dough. And close the lid. And pour the dough again. Well, the last one, the last layer. And keep tomatoes for good. All side tomatoes. Middle one, of course. And capsicum. Keep all over capsicum. Keep low flame, cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, keep a plate and turn it. Flip it. And put onto the pan again and boil it. Cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, done. Flip to a plate again. It's almost done it. Wow, delicious special mutton masala dish is ready. Delicious mutton masala dish is ready. Wow, it looks delicious and yummy. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys.